Hello guys, what's going on internet? This is me Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Today we are going to learn how we can outline the text in a very beautiful way so it looks attractive. So let's take start. First we have this text easy outline. So we will just outline this text by removing its inside text. Okay. So let's take start. Here we can see that if we double click on that one, not here on the text, we can just double click on here. We have this window, it's called layer style. We can go here, stroke. We can apply stroke because now we have a white text, so then it's can't visible. If I will change the color of stroke like little bit bluish, so it can be, and now we can decrease the size little bit so it can be proper, looks good. Okay, we are good to go. And okay, so here we have two options. One is opacity and one is fill. If we play with the opacity, so it just fade our text, and if we can make our text again visible, so then we can make it more 100%, and whatever we want to adjust we can. But here we don't go with that, we will just play with the fill, and here we are going to do fill 0%, and now we have a only outline card, only this text. Okay, now we are going to change the color of stroke. Pretty simple, it is done now. So if we want to add more crisps in this text, so how we can go? So let's go with that. We can just make this text outline text by clicking Ctrl J. We can use the key Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Okay, and then we can just fill this, and we can just make the fill 100%. It's done, and we can now we can just drag this layer, upper layer that we have just duplicate, just drag to this layer mask. And now we have this thing here, and select the brush tool from here and start removing wherever you want, so it will be look like this. However you want to give the stylish look, so it will be go like this. Okay, so now you can see that we have a very attractive and crisp in the design. It looks good. And before I'm going to do that, let's take start again. Keep in mind we should have black color here and white here. If we will do like this, so it won't be work. So make sure that it should be look like black upper and white bottom. Okay, so then we can remove from here wherever you want. If you want to remove easy here, so you can do that. If you want middle layer like just this way, so you can do this, whatever you want, so you can play with this. Right now we are just going with this style, it looks good, so we are good to go. So this is our tutorial that I did for you, and if you like this tutorial, so then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.